Making homemade jewelry with polymer clay is a creative and fun way to express your personal style while also enjoying a relaxing and fulfilling hobby. Polymer clay is a versatile material that can be molded, shaped, and cured to create beautiful and unique jewelry pieces. To start your jewelry making journey, you will need a few essential tools and materials. First and foremost, you will need polymer clay in various colors. Polymer clay can be found in craft stores and online, and it comes in an array of vibrant hues as well as metallic and translucent finishes. You will also need a few basic tools such as a rolling pin or clay roller, a set of shaping tools, a craft knife or blade, and a baking tray or tile. Additionally, you may want to invest in some small molds, texture sheets, and liquid clay for more intricate designs. Once you have gathered your supplies, the first step is to knead the clay until it becomes soft and pliable. This helps to condition the clay and remove any air bubbles. To prevent the clay from sticking, you can use a small amount of cornstarch or talcum powder on your hands and work surface. Next, you can begin shaping the clay into your desired jewelry pieces. For earrings, you can create small beads or shapes that can be attached to earring hooks or studs. For necklaces and bracelets, you can make larger beads or pendants that can be strung onto chains or cords. To add interest and texture to your jewelry pieces, you can use various techniques such as imprinting with texture sheets or stamps, layering different colors of clay, or creating marbled effects. You can also mix and blend different colors to create unique shades and gradients. Once you are satisfied with your design, it is time to bake the clay. Polymer clay needs to be cured at a specific temperature to harden and retain its shape. Follow the instructions on the packaging to determine the correct baking time and temperature for your clay brand. When baking the clay, it is important to place it on a clean and smooth surface such as a baking tray or tile. Avoid using surfaces that could release toxic fumes when heated, such as plastic or paper. You can use aluminum foil to separate the clay from the baking surface, as it helps to prevent any shiny spots or marks from forming. Carefully place the baking tray or tile with the clay into a preheated oven and bake according to the instructions. Keep a close eye on the clay while it bakes to ensure it doesn't overcook or burn. Once the baking time is complete, you can carefully remove the tray from the oven and allow the clay to cool completely before handling. Once the clay has cooled, you can proceed to assemble your jewelry pieces. For earrings, you can attach the beads or shapes to earring hooks or studs using jump rings or small wire loops. For necklaces and bracelets, you can thread the beads or pendants onto chains, cords, or wire. To further enhance the appearance of your jewelry, you can apply a protective sealant or glaze. This helps to add shine and durability to the clay and prevents it from getting scratched or losing its color over time. There are various types of sealants and glazes available, so choose one that is compatible with polymer clay. As you gain more experience and confidence in working with polymer clay, you can experiment with more advanced techniques such as creating intricate canes or incorporating other materials like beads, gemstones, or metal findings into your designs. The possibilities are truly endless, and each piece of jewelry you create will be a unique reflection of your creativity and personal style. Not only is making homemade jewelry with polymer clay a rewarding and enjoyable activity, but it also allows you to express your individuality and create one-of-a-kind pieces that cannot be found in stores. So, let your imagination run wild, and start exploring the wonderful world of polymer clay jewelry making today.